Hey, I'm Tesseract and I'm playing with the SteelSeries Apex 3 keyboard. Check it out. When I get on, I just tilt my keyboard a little bit to the left-ish. I always try to stay as straight up as possible. That's what gets me ready, and these colors, super nice. I can customize them how I want, whenever I want. I'll just go into my keybinds, and then my pickaxe, I put it on C, and then my weapons, 2, 3. This keyboard has like a little magnetic strip. You can just pull it off, and then if you want it on, it's super simple, and it's really nice for your hand. The keyboard is like perfect. Like they're really easy to press, but they're not super loud. But it's really satisfying to like listen to. When I switched to SteelSeries, it just helped me out so much. I improved like a lot more. Hey, I'm Tesseract, and if you want to get the Apex 3 keyboard like me, you can go to steelseries.com.
We'd like to introduce our all-new DOS Keyboard 5Q. It's going to revolutionize the way you gather and track the information you care about by transforming your keyboard into a dashboard keyboard. And you will never want an input-only keyboard after this. Are you an over-tabber? Do your web browsers look like this? Which one of these is my inbox? How many notifications do you get in a day? How long before you just start ignoring them all? The things you want to know can easily get drowned out by all the other stuff out there, and it's made information gathering kind of a pain. But fear not, over-tabbers and alert snoozers. DOS Keyboard is developing a new kind of keyboard that's going to change all of that. DOS Keyboard 5Q is an RGB LED keyboard that's software-driven and allows you to customize the color and pattern of every key based on the information that you actually want to follow. Instead of relying on snoozable, momentary alerts from different devices, DOS Keyboard 5Q allows you to ambiently track subtle changes to data over time without actively seeking updates or constantly receiving new alerts, which frees you up to work on other super important things. You can think of DOS Keyboard 5Q as a device that takes information you want to keep tabs on and plugs it directly into your subconscious. Kind of like how you don't need to look out your window to know it's not raining. The streaming information exists in your peripheral vision, so you can track it without even thinking about it. DOS Keyboard 5Q's volume knob also functions as the Q button, which links you to QApp, the cloud software that powers the dashboard. QApp is being developed with a set of pre-installed profiles geared towards certain sets of notification needs. But what truly makes the software powerful is that it will be community-driven and have an open API. So your keyboard won't just be connected to the cloud, it will be linked to the cleverest, geekiest, most badass hive mind on the internet. With that kind of customizability, the applications of DOS Keyboard 5Q are virtually limitless. Pretty much anything online that you want to keep an eye on can be embedded into your workstation and color-coded to indicate the status. With the tap of the Q button, you can review and immediately address critical alerts, making procrastination, or maybe just a missed deal, a thing of the past. We are building DOS Keyboard 5Q with premium materials, an ultra-sleek design, the fastest electronics, and the most durable mechanical key switches in the market. Plus, it's just a more fun, nicer to look at, badass device. So that's DOS Keyboard 5Q, a brand new genre of keyboard, a one-size-fits-all connected solution for increasing efficiency, lowering stress, and tracking what you care about in a non-invasive, ambient way.
I'm Louise, and today I'm joined by Andrew from Logitech G.
Heyo.
So it's really exciting. Today we're going to be talking about the G915 keyboard. It's really stylish, it's really exciting. You can tell I'm very enthusiastic. So Andrew, the G915, you're excited? I'm excited. Talk me through it.
Yeah, so the G915 is really just an amazingly beautiful keyboard. We wanted to make the ultimate gaming keyboard. So obviously it's got to have wireless, it's got to have mechanical keys, it's got to have all the bells and whistles you'd expect. So with the G915, first of all, it's got an incredibly beautiful design. It is extremely low profile. If you can see here, it's very thin.
Super thin.
It's actually a lot thinner than pretty much any other keyboard on the market. And part of that is because we use our brand new GL mechanical gaming switches.
Okay.
So not only that, but we have all three flavors. We have clicky, we have tactile, and linear. Obviously, it's got light sync RGB technology. It's got light speed wireless technology for that incredible connection, but also it has amazing battery life at 30 hours run to die with full RGB lighting.
That was going to be my next question. You've clearly worked a lot towards making sure it has the longest battery life.
Absolutely. Not only does it have longer battery life than other keyboards in its class, but also it does so with that beautiful light sync technology. So we can tie it into all of our other devices on the desktop. You get that game-driven RGB lighting. It also has G keys, which are our programmable keys that you can use, for macros or any other control. And that's been a feature that we haven't had on a keyboard since the actual G613 wireless keyboard. So it's been a while since we've done that. It also has memory mode, so you can switch between a set of different memory functions. And it has Bluetooth technology as well.
So you can switch between?
That's correct. So not only does it have the light speed mode where you can connect through the USB light speed dongle, but it also has that Bluetooth mode that you can switch between with a key. So you can actually connect to two devices simultaneously and switch between them with that Bluetooth button.
And we've also got that sneaky little game mode button that I didn't even know was a thing. Talk me through that in case people actually don't know what that is.
It's just one of those features we've had on our keyboards for a long time. Game mode disables the context and the Windows keys so that you're not, opening up start menus and stuff while you're gaming.
Very, very useful.
Yeah. So beyond that, the G915 is just one of these amazing experiences. It's sort of the ultimate gaming keyboard. And again, I'm super excited about it. Looking forward to see what people think about the switches and also the low profile design.
So if someone doesn't want a wireless keyboard, who knows why, but if they didn't want a wireless keyboard, is there a wired version available?
Yes, there is. The G815 will be the same, only wired version. We understand that not everybody's going to need a wireless keyboard. And so that wired version has the same beautiful design, the same switch options, and all the same features.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Of course.
So that's everything you need to know about the incredible G915 wireless light-speed mechanical gaming keyboard. And I think I just want it now with design and the battery and the keys and the feel. Yeah, this one is probably mine. But
you can have it.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.